Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Don't need to do nothing else with autel on some of these modern vehicles, just plug it in. Plug it in, it does all for you. Just need to pick which one. We're on the Audi. We're on the Audi. It is a 3-door hatch saloon, or 3-door hatch, that's the one we want. 3-door hatch, we will go and check. What is your engine code? Summer engine, I think, the Weiss Q2, I think. Engine code on it. Charlie, is that the code? Charlie Zulu Papa Bravo. Charlie Zulu Papa Bravo, let's see if we can find that. Charlie Zulu Papa Bravo. Let's see. There we go, 2 litre, Charlie Zulu Papa Bravo, it's the one we want. No lights on the car, it's just something we do during the service. Give it the full scan, customer then gets the copy of the PDF format report on the vehicle. Just lets them know if there's anything needing done in the future possibly. Pass, all good on the engine. Brakes, pass, aircon, hopefully pass. Oh, aircon, let us down, aircon. Oh, Central Electrics, come on. DAS is not good. Right, we'll pause here. Right, not too bad. So it's probably going to want an aircon service, refrigerant pressure below the lower limit. So it would probably want a diagnostic on the aircon system and remote control key, no basic settings. So I'm not sure what that's all about. We'll just make a wee copy of that, save the report. Right, so that one is an active code. It might not, this one's passive. The aircon one might not erase. We'll see if it'll take it out. Let's take the code out anyway. So it's taking the code out at least. So probably it is the expensive gas as well. So it's the R1234YF, and it takes 460 plus or minus 15 grams in the aircon system in this vehicle. So probably is just needing service. To be honest with you guys, you should be doing an aircon service every 2 years, antibacterial clean as well through the system, just to keep your aircon system working good. There is an oil in there as well in the system to keep the pump good, so that would be replaced every 2 years as well. So the machine sucks all the gas, all the oil out it, and then basically it puts in what it needs. So yeah, we'll get the service light reset on it. I pressed the wrong one actually, so we'll crack on here, get this done, and then we'll go and double check the dash is okay. Obviously we still need to do the service, but we'll have to do it. That one should be finished dripping away now. So obviously the fault codes that were in the car, I'm not really concerned that's for this system here, so we'll go back to menu, the car, back again, servicing and checks, and we'll see if it says there. Yep, it's another 365 days. I'm not sure why it's put that to 2 years, but it will get the, you see you can do it through here, but at least I do it with the machine. So it will come back probably next year and get another service. The guy seems to look after this car, so I mean he could be doing again a wee wash to be honest with you. Oh, and there's some bird crap on the roof there, so yeah, definitely needs a wee wash. We'll get the air filter changed on it, we'll get it up in the air, get the oil filter changed on it. I think it's slightly different to my Weiss engine. That's a bigger engine than my Weiss as well, but well, they usually all kind of look kind of similar, but this one looks a bit different. So we'll crack on, get it on the lift, get the oil filter changed on it just shortly. We're just about to put the wee A3 on the lift. I noticed this on the other side actually when I was just positioning it. That looks like it's swollen there. So there's the arrow, there's your sill. Suspiciously looks to me like somebody's jacked that on there, caved all the sill in. They have, look, it's cracked all the paint. So, well, that's pretty poor whoever did that. And they've copied and pasted both sides. Jesus Christ. Aye, somebody's jacked. There's no way that's happened. It's too uniform, eh? So I think the guy would need to speak to whoever did these tyres, to be honest with you, because sure we priced the tyres from him and he says no, I'll get them somewhere else. So yeah, that's not where you jack the vehicle. These are where you jack the vehicle on here. So even if you missed that bit there and you went onto here, you'd be fine. That's been jacked right there. Bent all that silk. So that's pretty poor, isn't it? Pretty poor. If you can't even jack the car up right, then every time you give up. It's been done there as well, probably. What else happened? Let's get up and see. Right guys, so I'll show you the damage to the sills once we get up there. We're going to crack off the oil filter now. We'll lift it up, we'll get the cover off the bottom. Yeah, it's got one. Get the cover off the bottom, get the oil drained into the automatic, and we'll get the filter changed. We've already did the air filter, did all the doors, did the screen wash, just need to check the coolant, drain the oil, and give the inspection underneath. So shake all the wheels, check all the tyres, check brakes, springs, bushes, pins, ball joints, etc. So we shall be back in a second. Right guys, so like I said, crack the filter off. That's the best practice. If you get a paper filter, especially if it's up the top, open it up, let all the oil drain back down into the sump. That way when you replace it, you're then not going to take the filter out and let all that old dirty oil back into your new oil, if you get what I mean. So that's what we'll do, that's how we do it. Right guys, we'll come back again. This tyre, it's not too bad, I will measure it, but it is a bit worn. Brake pads okay, discs are okay, there's no pitting on them. Shock casing that I can see is okay. Spring from here looks okay, I will check it once we get the lift right up. I have had a wee shake at this wheel, I don't feel any play in the pins, bushes or ball joints. Discs, I've got a wee lap on them, but the pad thickness there's okay. Spring seems intact, shock doesn't seem to be leaking. Yeah, you can see it's got the bolted mount. I'm talking about this in another job, about how different types of mounts give you different types of driving experience, noises in the cars, etc. Brake pads in there, if we can see them, nice and thick. Spring, all looks intact to me. Yep, all good there. We'll give it a little shiggle here, just make sure I'm not playing anything. Right, all seems good there. The whole joint cover seems intact. Drive shaft foot seems intact. Brakes are good. So really, just need to inspect the underside. Brake pad's nice and thick there as well. Discs in good condition as well. Spring in here, all looks good. Shock, all looks good. So I've got a wee sugar on here as well. I've done the other side. Right, so that all seems all good there. You can see what I mean with the sill bulging out, and you can see it's like it's been jacked on here or something. It'd be very unusual for the car to hit something on the road, you know, and to match it on the other side. It'd be very, very, very unusual. So it does actually have a mixed bag of tyres actually. So it looks like it's got all seasons on the other three, and then that's just your kind of bog standard. I think they're all Falcons. A Falcon Energy. Aye, so you can see there where the guy, that's been the cup of the jack. It's not been a big jack either, but it's been a small jack by the looks of it. No, just a very small jack. So it's definitely 100% been jacked in the wrong place. You jack it on here, 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 anywhere but there. You could have even jacked it there, and you wouldn't have damaged that sill. And you can see our ramp, right, is well away from it. You can see it here as well, well away from it. It looks like that's a mark there, if it's been jacked. You can see it, so it's been jacked on the actual sill. Somebody's actually just taken that and they've damaged the vehicle. So they've actually damaged the vehicle doing that. Never did it. Same here as well, that's our grease for greasing the doors. Has that one been done? No, I think that one's okay, but it's definitely, you can see it up there where they've jacked it. So you can see somebody's had a one on there without any rubber. Let's take the paint off. But that 100% has been a jack. And you can see where the bit of the jack has actually went in and went through the under seal there and spread it. So it's cut through the under seal there, so that's probably bare metal there. So whoever did that has damaged this vehicle. Not very good.